Hello, in the following video we will take a look at the Combined Listings app for Shopify. Through this app we will be able to add a unique title, description, media gallery, and even a unique URL to each product variation. For example, if we have a t-shirt product that comes in blue and another one that comes in yellow, then we will be able to add a gallery of images to each of those variations to showcase them, something that is not possible by default with the out-of-the-box product settings in Shopify, as you can only associate one image per product variant. Likewise, if you think the yellow t-shirt and the blue t-shirt, each one deserves their own description and URL, through this app, you are going to be able to do that as well. Before getting started, we shall take a look at the eligibility requirements. So to be eligible to use the Shopify Combined Listings app, your store must be either on Shopify Plus or on an enterprise plan. Your store must also be using the online store sales channel, which you are likely doing if you have a liquid theme. And to display combined listings in your store, you must have a compatible theme. For theme compatibility, the Combined Listings app is compatible with free Shopify themes in version 15.0 or later. Other themes will support this app on a case-by-case basis. There is a guide over here to adding this functionality to your theme if it isn't supported. I will leave this link in the video description, though in this video I will not be covering this. However, you can let me know in the comments if you find a video about that helpful, and we might see this in a future video. And with that out of the way, let's get started. So let's first take a quick look at what we are trying to solve over here. As you can see, I have this example t-shirt product, and you can see that it has this simple product description. We have two images associated for each color, a regular image and a close-up image. And we are associating one image per variant because that is a limitation Shopify has. I cannot associate this large image and then this close-up image, both of those, to the yellow variant over here. Instead, I can only associate one, which is this one over here. The same goes for the blue variant. So now, if I preview this product, you are going to see that in the gallery over here, I have the yellow main image, the close-up image, and then the close-up for the blue product. And if I select the blue variant, I have the main image for the blue product, the close-up image for the blue product, and I see over here the close-up image for the yellow product. This is happening because while this theme supports hiding the variant image for the unselected variants, so when I select blue, it is hiding the variant image for the yellow variant over here. As this close-up yellow image is not associated to a variant, it is not hiding it. So the customer is going to see this close-up image of the yellow variant, even though it has nothing to do with the blue variant that we are selecting over here. With the Combined Listings app, this will no longer be an issue. So let's see how to set that up. So I have this development store over here, which by the way also supports the Combined Listings app, so we can try it out in this environment even if we don't have access to a Plus store. And from here I am going to click on Apps, and I am going to look for Combined Listings. I will click this link over here to open the Shopify App Store, and from here I will install the app. After doing so, we are going to see this pop-up over here, and I will select Install. And now we are in the home screen of the Combined Listings app. And in this illustration over here, you can see a simple diagram of how this app is working. So the ideal setup for this app is that you have already a separate product for each variation. So in my case, a product for the yellow t-shirt and a product for the blue t-shirt. Those are the child products, which we can see over here in the bottom part of this diagram. Then when we create a combined listing, we are creating a parent product that will associate both of these products. The parent product will be this one over here at the top. That way, as both the yellow t-shirt and the blue t-shirt are their own product, they can have their own set of images, their own description, and their own URL. To the customer, this will look like just another product variant, but internally, we are managing it this way. So now that we have a good idea of what this app is doing, let's create a combined listing. This will be t-shirt, and let's add the products. So I will add the blue t-shirt and the yellow t-shirt. And as we can see over here, we can add an option name. In this case, the option will be color. For this one, it will be blue. And for this one, it will be yellow. And I had to select this over here like this. So now we can save this. And we see that a new product was created. So if I click on Customize on Product page, we are navigated to the product page in the admin of this combined listing product. We can see that this is a combined listing because over here we see a reference to the app, and if I click on this, we are navigated to another product page in the admin. So let's go back. Let's discard the change because I have not changed anything. Let's go back. And over here, once again, let's click on T-shirt. Let's set the status to active. And now let's go to the store and see what happens. So now from my store's front end, over here in this featured product section, you can see that I have this T-shirt product. If I click on it, even though it looks like a normal product, this is a combined listing product. And the first thing we can notice here is that it has a fourth product option. So these size, fabric, and clothing features are the normal 3 product options. And we can see that over here, if I click on blue T-shirt, you can see that its product options are this, but this one has this special icon and it says Edit in App because it is coming from the combined listing app. So if I click Edit in App over here, this navigates me to the combined listings app where I can manage the color option. Going back to the page over here, you can see that if I change this over here, the URL is changing. So let's do that one more time. And over here, you can see that I navigated to yellow T-shirt. And the gallery also is now only exclusively showing me the images related to this color. So you can see that the blue images are no longer appearing. And likewise, if I change now to the blue variant over here, you can see that the yellow images are no longer appearing. Something else you can notice is that the description also changes when the color changes. So if over here I select yellow, you can see that now it says yellow over here. And when I select blue again, it says blue. This is coming from the description field of the child product for this combined listing. So even though I just changed a word, you can change the entire description per child product if you want to. Something else we should see about this app is how it behaves around search. So over here, if I look for t-shirt, you can see that I get the blue t-shirt product and the yellow t-shirt product. However, the t-shirt parent product that I created in the combined listings app is not showing over here. The reason for that is because normally that is the behavior you want by default. However, we can change this in the search and discovery app, for which there is also a video in the channel if you want to take a look at that. I will be linking that in the video description. However, let's go over here, the settings. And if we scroll to the bottom, we can see over here a section for the combined listing settings. For search results and predictive search results, we can see that by default it is only showing the child products, so that was the behavior we were seeing. However, if we wanted to also show the parent product or only the parent product, there are settings for that. For example, let's change it to show both, and let's save. And now if from my store I look for t-shirt, you can see that I get the parent product, t-shirt, and then blue t-shirt and yellow t-shirt. So you can configure that to work however you want. And as the search and discovery app also manages how product recommendations work in your store, you can see over here settings for how recommendations interact with the combined listings product. So over here, it is only showing child products by default in the product recommendations, but if you want to also show parent products or both, you can change that from here as well. And that's it for this video. As you can see, the combined listings app can help us showcase the products in our store in a way that otherwise would not be possible by default or that will need some complex workarounds. I will be leaving all the relevant links in the video description, including the link to this documentation page, so you can take a closer look at all the different limitations and compatibility considerations this app has. And with that said, if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more Shopify-related content, and I will see you all in the next one.